morning students. In this video we will understand how can we just compose a mail, how can we attach the documents and send someone over the internet. To compose a mail, first of all we have to log into our email account. For that we will open our browser and we will go to the website of mail service provider like www.gmail.com, and as you can see the box is coming for sign in. Here we will write our email ID and we will click on the next button. It will ask us to enter the password. If we enter correct password, it will open main window of mailbox. Otherwise it prompts us that your password is incorrect. Please enter the correct password. Children, this is the main window of our email box, and from this main window we can manage our mails. Now for composing a mail, we will click on a compose button, and as we click on a compose button, it pop-ups a new message window. It has two sections, header section and body section. In header section, there are two options, CC option, BCC option and subject option. One by one we will understand. In two section, children, in this text box we will enter the email address of primary recipients. Primary recipients means the person for that we have written the message. The message is originally written for the primary recipients. CC, carbon copy. In this we will write the email address of secondary recipients to whom copy needs to be sent. BCC, blind carbon copy. In this we will write the email address of secondary recipients to whom we send the copy, but other recipients cannot know about the dispatch of mail. Like the email address we have written in 2 box, in CC box, they cannot find out about the recipient's address that we have mentioned in BCC box. Subject. In this box we will write the main subject of our message or main topic of our message. Children's subject should be always relevant with the message so that it will be easier for recipient to reply or respond to the message. If we have written the irrelevant subject, we have sent without subject, sometimes it happens that recipient can see that this is a useless message, this is not important, or he or she can be forget to respond. And after that there is a body section where we write the actual message. Now children, with our message, if we want to attach some documents like Word file, Excel file, image, video files, audio file, we can use attachment option. As you can see, it is available near the send button. It is circled. So we will click on this button and it will open the open dialog box. It shows the different drives, folders of our computer. We can select the file that we want to attach. We can select more than one file at a time, or one by one we can select and click on the button to add the file. And see, at the bottom of our message the file will be attached. It also shows the size of file. Children, with one message we can attach maximum 25 MB file sizes. One file or more than one file. Total 25 MB of data files we can attach with our mail. Children, we can not only attach the files. If you want, we can also attach the URLs. And as we click on the insert link button, it shows us that what you want to attach, web address or email address. For example, if you want to add web address, then we have to write the URL of that website and what text should be displayed. For it, we have to write in text to display box, and then we will click on a OK button. For example, I have written the web address of CBSE website and text I have written CBSE portal. And as you can see, as we have clicked on OK button, it will just insert this link and it shows the blue color with underlined blue color. It shows it is a link. When we click it, it will open the CBSE portal. So this way we can insert link. We can also give the email address. Insert emojis. Children, if we want to just express some emotions also with our message, then we have a facility of inserting emojis with our message. For that, we will click on a insert emoji button. It will shows us various categories, and in that various emojis are there. We can insert whatever we like, and it will appear in our body section of message. Insert file from Drive. If we want to attach files from our Google Drive, we can use this insert file from Drive option. It shows my Drive option, shared with me, recent or uploaded. We can select any file that we want and we will click on a insert button. As we click, it will insert the file. And the next option is insert signature. Children, you all are aware that whenever we write any application, letter, at the end we mention our signature, we write our name. In company's letters, company mention the person, company name, address, contact numbers. So if we want to give a personal touch to the message, we can also use this facility of insert signature. And once we have set the insert signature option, then that signature will automatically attach at the bottom of every message we send. Every time we don't have to mention ourselves. For availing this facility, what we have to do, first we will click on a insert signature button. It shows the option no message, no signature and manage signature. So we will click on a manage signature. Children, as we click on a manage signature, it opens the settings of Gmail. In that there is an option for signature. Here we will click on the create new. As we click, it will ask us that give a name to the new signature. More than one signature when we can set with our mails. Sometimes we are just setting a personal signature. Sometimes we are setting a signature that is relevant with our job profile. So for that we will just give the signature name and we will click on a create button. And it will shows the name of signature, and right side, children, we can enter the text as we want for our signature. And we can set our signature as a default signatures for new mails or for replying forward. So automatically it attached. More than one signature can be set. And after that we will just click on a save changes. So the settings will be saved in our Gmail box. And as after that, if we click on a compose button, so in new message window, the signature will automatically adds. So this way we can use the signature facility. And children, after composing the mail, we can use send button to send the mail to the recipients whom email addresses we have mentioned. So this way we can send mail to someone else over the internet. Thank you.